an absolutely fucking unhinged tweet this morning. You give me 1 second. I'm gonna read it to you guys. If you're wondering why things are a little red, this is probably it. So Trump tweeted, "A whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. However, now that we have complete and total regime change, where different, smarter, and less radicalized minds prevail, maybe something revolutionarily wonderful can happen. Who knows? We will find out tonight, one of the most important moments in the long and complex history of the world. 47 years of extortion, corruption, and death will finally end. God bless the great people of Iran." What the actual fuck? So if you're wondering why things are red and why we're wondering a little bit what the fuck is going on, that's gonna be why. That's gonna be why. Okay. In other news, we had a nice little double rejection off of this liquidity area. This is the same one yesterday that we rejected off of. And very notably, okay, and very notably, it is the same one where this big fucking drop happened. Okay. So, with that being said, um, we're going to be watching this really carefully. I'm leaning a little bit bearish because you see these two big wicks on the daily. It's like whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's back up a sec. What's happening? What's happening? All right. Yeah, this is I 100% know the president tweeted that vision. I know he tweeted that. I don't have a Truth Social account, but I know he did. And plus, that's 100% his language, anyways. Icarus says that he's not shorting. Now, why do you not feel bearish at all? I guess is my question. Is it because of this little uptrend that we've been forming?
I'm not shorting like everything. I'll be waiting for like two small pullbacks.
You sound like you're just fucking underwater, bud. Not even gonna lie to you. You sound like you're in the bottom of a really deep aquarium.
That's on you.
Oh, well, now it's better. What did you say?
I said like I won't short everything in a single way, but I'll wait for pullbacks.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Now you sound like you're speaking through your phone.
I sound like I'm at the bottom of an ocean now. What the fuck is happening? What is happening in
Th-
this world right now?
They are listening to us. They don't want us to make money on that.
They're like, I'm sick and tired of these guys fucking shorting the market every day. Well, you know what? If you would just let us be fucking bullish and end this stupid war and stop all this excess fucking spending on tech, okay, with no return, then I wouldn't have to be so bearish. But as long as we keep acting like fucking retards, I have to keep shorting this. And I have no choice. Trust me, it's not that I want to. I'd way rather be able to just fucking buy things and have it go up. That would be so much cooler than having to short every morning.
Can you readjust your microphone just a little?
Oh, what is happening? Is that better? I don't know where this echo's coming from.
That's still sounding like you're speaking through your phone.
Okay, give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna disconnect and come back and see if that fixes it. All right, is that a little bit better?
Yeah, now it's good.
It's probably because I'm sharing my entire screen. So let me see if I can do this. Is it back now doing that?
No, 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 no. It's fine.
Okay, that's super fucking weird. I have no idea why that happened. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, it's not like I want to be want to be just basically a strictly fucking short, but I don't really have a choice. So, let's see what happens with all this, right? We'll see what happens with all this. We go out to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see even a little bit more clearly that just nothing is passing this area, right? This little pocket of liquidity here. This is huge resistance. I know that's a big area, right, from 168 to 237, but just nothing is passing this. It passed it for just a little tiny bit and rejection, right? Tiny bit above it, rejection. So clearly there is some serious pinning that's happening there. All right. Well, let's move to the 15 minutes. Let's take a look at, since we already have like all of our macro liquidity levels drawn out. Let's take a look and see if there's anything super super notable that we should be aware of for the short term ones. He said, "Can't fool me buying calls." Don't do that. Don't do it. We gotta wait. We gotta wait and see what the fuck's happening. Don't do the calls. This is bad. Okay, calls are bad. Okay. Oh man, this is just so fucking cooked. Everything about this is cooked, guys. Obviously, we're gonna wait a little bit and see what happens. But I'm almost expecting this to turn into another leg down real soon. We'll see.
I don't know, you've been sleeping under a rock or something, but the market's been cooked since Trump is president.
I know. I have watched all of the fucking indices stall out for 6 months. I know it's cooked. I've only been preaching about how close we are to basically a mass fucking liquidation event for a while. God, man. Enter and pray during these markets. Yeah, literally, dude. Literally. It's fucking brutal. Absolutely fucking brutal. But you know what? With technical analysis, all things are possible. So, despite the market shitting itself every single day, we're doing okay. We're doing okay.
Does it really? Is technical analysis so strong?
Technical analysis is quite strong, yes.
Can you also stop a genocide with it?
I can't do that. I wish I could. I wish that we weren't talking about it. To be quite honest with you, I wish that this wasn't even a topic of conversation. You know what? You
Fuck
know, you
no.
know how I've said before, okay? You know how I've said before that this is like, very eerie, because it's a lot like kind of 1930s Germany. We're 1940s Germany now.
Yo,
Yeah,
chill down.
that's how it feels, man. That's how it feels. Watching my country go down the shitter, and all we can do is just fucking all we can do is just short it. All we can do is
Well, at
bet
least you
against
can
it.
do something.
What was that?
At least you can do something.
Yeah, I guess.
In 1940s, they couldn't.
Well, I mean, they could have. They could have. It's okay. It's okay. It's not okay, but you know, it's okay. And this is this is us kind of just reaping the crop that we planted, right? These are the seeds we planted, and it's time to harvest. So we'll see what the fuck happens. We'll see what the fuck happens. Things are really, really crazy right now. Okay. Uh, damn, where is this? I've been looking at a lot of stuff lately. Things have been kind of crazy. We're getting some pretty slow movement right now. Give it about 12 minutes and the volume's going to start trickling in, I'm sure.
You think so?
Yeah. Am I tripping? It's YM for US 30.
Didn't they have the contract change?
I mean, it's still the same symbol. Yesterday, I was just focused on Nasdaq.
Bro, Uzi, one more time. And you're gonna get a 7-day timeout. Like, for real. This is criminal.
What happened?
He fucking sent a McDonald's employment application in chat.
So, so I had a teacher when I was in high school, and he used to tell everyone, like all the kids, he used to say, "Remember, since you don't pay attention now, that when you're working at McDonald's, that I like my fries extra crispy." And yeah, yeah, that was great. And then shortly after high school, I worked at McDonald's for like a year and a half. And I remembered that the whole time. This motherfucker's probably dead. And I remember that. Listen, the cost of not locking in is spending the rest of your life clocking in. Okay? Write that down. Write that down. Someone take a note. Write that down. I had to look that up. MYM, right? What, am I tripping? It should be CME. Yo, what the fuck is happening here? They just don't want me to trade US 30, I guess. Like, okay, sure, I guess. Yeah, literally no idea why this isn't working. Do they not want me playing US 30? What are we doing? I'm trying to get the fucking order book pulled up for US 30. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how all of this stupid shit works on this fucking this thing. There's a little bit of a learning curve to using some of these prop firm platforms, especially because I've never done it before. Like I'm so new to this, so new to the prop firms. But I'm learning a hell of a lot about what you guys deal with this. Okay, well, yeah, it's just not pulling it up. Yeah, no idea. No idea why. Let's see, can we get crude oil? No, let's do this. Oh wow. Okay. It's just not fucking on here. Sick. Sick. What's up, you guys? You guys want to trade some fucking lean hog today? Yeah, I got a lean hog. Are they not letting me trade fucking oil here? Okay, there we go. That's what I want.
What is that?
All the different contracts.
What the actual fuck are you even trading on?
This is rhythmic.
Such a shitty platform, dog.
Well, I don't know what the good ones are. I've never used prop firm. So like I don't know. I'm learning, right? I'm trying
The
to figure it
standard
out.
ones are usually MetaTrader 5.
That's the
And
one you
like,
like?
yeah, that's the one that I mostly use because it has the best order execution.
Fair. Yeah, the fucking US 30 is just like not available on here. Like apparently you just can't trade fucking Dow futures with Apex. Yeah, yeah, I probably could just connect it to TradingView. I probably could just do that. You're not wrong. I do like having the order book. And again, I'm kind of just watching we want to watch oil here, right? We want to watch oil. Yeah. So anyways, that's what we have going on.
What news just came out? Was there news? Why is it pumping?
That's such a great question. I'm looking right now.
I didn't see shit. No, nothing.
There's nothing. Yeah.
Next destination to check is Twitter.
Unless there was some kind of fucking Trump tweet, I guess that would be, potentially something. Morning, Rain. Good morning. Wow, man, this is actually fucking cooked. I can't get a bunch of the stuff that I want. What the fuck is this stupid trading platform? God damn it, man. I'm gonna trip. I'm gonna go bananas here.
Just slap it on TradingView.
There.
Can't have you trading on Windows XP.
Yo, it literally feels like that. I'll set that up tonight. I'm not gonna go and set all that shit up right now. That seems like a big pain in the ass. Yeah, finding a little bit of support right here on the point of control. That's somewhat interesting. I really want to watch oil today, guys. Like I think oil has a lot of opportunities. Now, what goes hand in hand more than oil and genocide? And also next week, 8 p.m. is going to be the deadline of Iran. Yeah, that seems right. Oh, that's delayed. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. Okay. Now with all that done, whew, we're not even going to be able to get a useful, like longer term volume profile from this. It's not going to happen. I think there's a really decent shot that this thing goes to new highs. Like I truly think that is very possible. I don't want to sleep on oil today.
Are you gonna go long?
If I see the right things.
I think it's about time that the VIX is going to spike insanely high.
Yeah, there's definitely a good shot. And if someone wants to trade VIX, I would recommend trading UVIX. That's UVIX. That is a 2 times levered long volatility instrument. So yeah, you can. It also does have an options chain, so that way you can lever your leverage. That's a thing. What oil stock? I mean, I don't know, man. I think Chevron is the big winner. USO has seen a lot more volatility though, just the US oil company. So, that's also potentially a play. But, as far as like what I've been enjoying is I've just been holding Chevron, right? I think Chevron's so fucking good. Like not only did the call just turn out well, but it is a really strong company. So even if you end up bag holding it, like you're cool. You're cool holding on to fucking Chevron. Like they're not going anywhere. Okay. They're not going anywhere. I think oil is there's a good shot that it sees new highs because the supply chain is just so fucking restricted. And it will become even more restricted if something really stupid happens tonight or today. I am not anticipating um, Iran backing down, like not fucking remotely. Okay, not even remotely. So today, I am going to be watching Nasdaq and oil. Yeah, that's that's what we can do. But I am fully expecting just stupid shit to happen. Yeah, the order book's pretty useful to use. It is pretty useful to use. Sorry, just catching up on chat now. And Riley does look stable compared to other days. So yeah, you know, fingers crossed. We're hoping at this point. Like I said, damage is done. I'm fucking mega red on the shorter term calls. Got a little bit of a recovery in the longer term calls yesterday, but mega fucking cooked on the short term ones, which is okay. That happens. Exxon is a strong one. So that's XOM. XOM. Yeah, ExxonMobil strong. So is BP, British Petroleum. Petro. We need, God damn it, we need Swazzle up here now. I need Swazzle up here to say Petro. We need Swazzle up here to say methane and ethane. So, because I love the way the British pronounce that. It's methane and ethane.
All right, Swazzle, go on.
Yes. Hey, say glacier. Oh, you don't say it like David Attenborough. You don't say glacier. It's very posh. It's yeah.
In it.
It's very posh. Very posh indeed. I'm gonna be upset when David Attenborough dies, man. I've grown up with all his documentaries. Yeah, yep. I like that he came up for that. He came up to say methane and ethane. Dig it. Dig it. And as the glaciers melt, they release methane and ethane. Just keeping an eye on all this. All right. I'm getting a little bit of bidding. It's not much, but it's honest work. Yeah, 10 out of 10 accent, bro. 10 out of 10 accent. See, I give him shit, but that's just because I'm jealous because I don't have a sick accent. I sound like your average American. Fuck, Icarus. That was brutal. He said, might go to McDonald's to grab a coffee, take your application with you. Bro, just go to fucking Timmy's, dog. Go get your fucking coffee at Timmy's, bro. Fuck Tim's. I thought you all loved Timmy's up there, man. I thought Canadians loved Tim Hortons. Okay. Just kind of getting a read on the market right now. We'll trade during open. We got this big fucking consolidation pattern here. And you might say, well, It's a big range. Is it consolidate? Yes, it's consolidation. Yes, it is. This whole fucking thing. This whole fucking thing is consolidation. And while we could trade a range, I'm not trying to trade a range pre-market with all of this shit happening. Also, this is the time for all the swing traders and long-term investors here that this is the time where we want to make sure that we are in some safer things. We want deep value trades, right? We want deep value trades. We want lots of oil, lots of staples, right? You're going to want your grains. You're going to want your Coca-Cola. You know, the main things, the necessities, right? Soda is a necessity to Americans. Yeah. Yeah. McDonald's can be fancy. Have you never heard of a McGangbang?
Brother, what?
You never heard of that? Is that just an American thing? Oh, never mind. I know it's an American thing. So a McGangbang, okay? That's where you take a McDouble and you take a McChicken and you take the McChicken patty out and you stick it into the McDouble and then you slather the whole thing in mac sauce and that's called a McGangbang.
What the fuck? That sounds so insanely poisonous.
Yeah, I mean it basically is. It basically is, man. It's just a bunch of shit. Oh, oops.
Huh?
Did that? Oh. There we go. I definitely accidentally joined that. I was trying to look at the chat on my phone. All right, we're good. We're good. I'm back.
What?
Sorry, technical issues today. Hit the wrong button. Come to Canada and try poutine.
What happened here?
Am I good now? Can you hear me?
I can hear you on stream. On the website, but not on Discord.
Jesus Christ. All right. Is this better? Are we
Yeah.
fixed?
Now
Holy
it's back.
fuck, man.
Did you just got EMP'd?
Yo, that's coming up next. I'm closer. I'm closer to Iran than most of you. But fortunately, you don't have to worry about them having a fucking EMP.
I just was remembering the time when you said, yeah, everybody's catching strays in the chat today.
Dude, everybody does catch strays sometimes.
Yeah, but you're mentioning being close to Iran. The possibility of catching a stray is a bit, I don't know.
And I do stand corrected because Uzi's even closer. He's even further west.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah, but Canada's not pissing them off right now. So
Canadians can't piss anyone off.
I don't know, man. They somehow pissed off our big mango.
Weren't Canadians always polite and all that fancy things?
Canadians are very polite, except for Uzi. But that's because he spent too much time trading.
Yeah, Uzi's a
Adopted
cunt.
that. Fuck, everyone catching strays today, bro. Everybody catches strays today. Oh man. Yeah, this is like really slow moving right now. I kind of thought that once 6 o'clock hit, or rather nine o'clock on the East Coast, I saw that we or rather I thought that we were gonna just fucking get really volatile. So I'm kind of surprised we're not right now. But trust me, there's something brewing here. There's something brewing here. What's my bias? I mean, I'm leaning bearish, but we're gonna see what happens. I it's so hard to say at this point because we've had green days despite never ever having good news. So like, we'll fucking see. We'll fucking see. What do you mean? What do you mean crash out? You mean that they're gonna get like super fucking mad? Oh, I do remember December. I definitely do. Bro, I don't think that they're gonna open the strait. I don't they've they were literally posting memes from their consulate offices saying we ain't opening shit, bro. Like AI generated memes. They know what this is doing. Okay. And if you guys will recall, at the very beginning of this, right? At the very beginning of this conflict, we were in here in this same room on stream, and we were talking about how Iran's greatest weapon is that of restricting oil access, right? It's an economic weapon, and this has turned into economic warfare. And here we are, over a month later, and it's even more true now than it was. They aren't opening shit. It's not happening. It's just not fucking happening. Yo, I do remember you getting so drunk that you started texting me for dating advice. I definitely remember that. I definitely remember that. Because I was like, what the fuck kind of message is this? I don't know. He didn't take my advice.
Uzi, you didn't do shit, buddy.
That's a good meme. That's a good fucking meme. I gotta steal that. You know, it feels like the market's just like this right now. That's that picture right there. That's what the market feels like right now, okay? We're just waiting for open. So everything's gonna die. A great market wiped out in an instant. Some say it was the best market. No, really though. Like things are looking real fucking grim. I I don't know what is going to happen. We've just never really been at this point before, and I'm just at this point I'm just really hoping that it's not going to be, anything nuclear because they did just fire a bunch of generals that would stand in the way. Okay, Kara, we need it. Markets are pricing in. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Brother, yeah, that's a good one. Oh shit. Impeachment odds climb. Price of roughly 69. Nice. A 69% chance that Trump is impeached before 2028. Nice. You know what? Kira, what you're not mentioning, okay, is it can go both ways. Trump crash out or Iran crash out. Why not and? Why not both of them crashing out simultaneously? It'll be the best. It'll be the biggest crash out you've ever seen. Anyways, I'm just hoping that whatever the fuck is going to happen tonight, if anything actually happens tonight, what you guys also have to realize is that we've seen Trump move the goalposts so much. Okay, like I posted a thing in Warrior Chat, right, that was showing how much he has, I guess kind of just all the comments about winning the war in Iran and going back and forth about we won, it's already over, it's not over yet, right? Just continually fucking going. He knows he's not trying to do another Middle East 2.0, but that's the thing. That's the thing is that this is so much like when we went to Iraq, except this time we have like someone super super fucking unhinged. And again, okay, I'm not here to tell you that Iran is a great place. Iran is a fucking shithole. It was a great place in the 70s. It is an absolute fucking shithole. But I don't think that it necessarily justifies what's going on. Like it was it was a big shithole. Who the fuck is this guy? What are we posting? We got some retard eating dinner.
His name is Bevo.
His name's Bevo.
Yeah. He's a meme because he doesn't chew his food, he swallows it whole.
He's like a snake. So was it an ultimatum? Open or we go in. More like we bomb you and do nothing else. The thing is that we see his ultimatums all the time, and then we see him backtrack and extend the deadline, right? And in Iraq, like we did not, right, when we went to Iraq, we did not um really extend any kind of deadline. Like I don't recall us saying, "Hey, you need to dismantle by this time," because we knew that they weren't going to dismantle, and they also weren't enriching uranium, so there was nothing to dismantle. And to be honest with you, a lot of it still is. A lot of it still is, Kira. Bevo has become a porn star now. You know what? You know what's the craziest thing is Screech from Saved by the Bell made a porno. I don't know if you guys know that. I don't know if you guys even know who Screech is.
I think I do.
Yeah, Screech, bro. How do we end up in this conversation? Yeah, see, that's Screech. That guy. He basically played a fucking tweaker. Okay. How do we know this? Because my mind has been cursed by the internet my entire life. Like YouTube came out when I was like 9. Okay, we got poisoned very young. All right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes. Yes, I do remember that, Uzi. Fucking Chief coming out swinging today, bro. Shit, I'm catching strays. I'm catching strays. All right. Market's opening in just a few minutes. I'm gonna go get my coffee, wake up. Let's get ready to trade. Everybody go fucking stretch. Go fucking hang out. No, dude, I thought that shit was super funny. I thought that shit was super funny. So, yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. All right, I will be right back. Icarus, you want to take over for a minute? And
I don't
let's
want
get
to,
ready to
but I
fucking
can.
trade, guys.
All right, all right.
All right, all right, all right.
So, what do you guys want to talk about? No Icky. So, I have a few new ideas for gold because at the moment it's in a tight consolidation range as I expected after this flash dump. And I would say that if we break out with some substantial volume, we can probably head back to the target we had previously in mind, which is 4,869. Otherwise, if we break below 4,465 becomes the next target. No, Uzi, I will never become employed. I can promise you that. Like, if anyone who's working a 9 to 5 comes up and is like, yeah, and if it doesn't work, yeah, my worst fear is your daily life. So, no, I won't sing, guys. I don't have a singer voice. Nah, chief. I don't really worry about the war at all. Like in Germany here, we're pretty chill. The only thing that we really need is like the politicians to shut the fuck up. They just gotta focus more on their own people and yeah. Kairos, you need this to pump. It won't pump. I can tell you that. If it will pump, then it's not because you wanted it or needed it. It doesn't care what you need or want. You should analyze. And also by the 15-minute candle that I am seeing, 15 minutes after stream start, the 15-minute candle had a pretty big absorption. So, if anything, it smells more like a dump. Swazzle, I will do that when I have enough money to fund the projects. Oh yeah, Chief, I don't know about that. I really keep track of the development in Germany and stuff. Like, even though I live here, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, we can. We just need to set up like the brokers and stuff. So I don't know if it's like totally. Yeah, okay. Since it is international, IBKR would be. I didn't know about it, if it was international or not. Wait, do we have CPI?
Okay.
Fuck, we got CPI this week.
Yes, we do. Okay, we got a pump. I don't trust it. I don't trust this move yet.
No, I'm gonna go for 3 minutes.
Big rejection right there. Oh my gosh, look at that. We couldn't trust the pump. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're hanging out. Let this candle close. Let's figure out what the fuck we're doing. Really don't trust that pump. I didn't hammer that wick. I'm actually the only trades that I've been taking on stream the last few days have just been right here, so you guys can see what the fuck's happening and what I'm doing. Why do spikes like that happen? To draw in liquidity, because here you get a bunch of people chasing like, oh my god, we're pumping, we're going to the moon, and then they get stopped out. It draws in liquidity, right? Like this is the scammy world that we live in. I want to see a break, like a bigger break before shorting anything too. I'm not interested in trading this range. Like I want to see a break somewhere. Yeah, spikes like that happen because it is really, really effective at getting retail to chase. No, it's not going to consolidate the whole day. We're gonna get a move, and I think it's going to be down. Right? I think it's going to be red. but it will happen. It will happen. Yeah, it did sweep this high. It's funny. It's funny because, you can have some really good prediction with just these liquidity levels, right? You see, fucking basically touch that, touch this. Okay, cool. Like, let's see what the fuck happens. I I I I don't feel bullish here. Okay, that's what I have to say. I don't feel bullish. We'll see if something changes. Oh yeah, and you get this big fucking wick to the upside, dude. Buyers are just getting fucking absorbed here. We are still above the point of control, but we're testing it. We're bouncing around on it. So you think it's going to go up a bit to test Sunday? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think today is like going to be really bearish. Obviously, we have to wait and see a little bit. Like, this isn't the spot where we want to take a trade. You don't trade right on the point of control, right? Like, we're not going to do that. There's no point. It's asking to lose fucking money. But if we could get like another move up here and see it kind of start to lose strength again, oh, that's going to be an easy short. So just fucking wait. We're just going to fucking wait. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, the hole is clenched. Exactly. Right. Part of being a successful trader is having this patience, right? Having the patience and the discipline to be able to sit and do fucking nothing sometimes. Like, you do not need to chase every trade. Okay? You have to wait for the right trade and take the correct trade. Well, Anna's getting a lot of fucking movement today. That one's been absolutely crazy. Chevron back over 200. Love to see that. Netflix is a little bit green. I'm actually kind of half-ass bullish on Netflix right now. So, oh God. Oh, it's almost time. We're so close. Can we drop a little more?
On US 30?
I'm watching NASDAQ.
Watch US 30, please.
Watch US 30, please. Okay. Even though I can't fucking trade it on this stupid thing. Oh, yeah, that's super close. That's happening right now. US 30 is a pretty clear short. That's a pretty clear short, for sure.
I'm small short on US 30 here.
I kind of want a long oil here.
And filled at 403. Holy shit. What a great short.
I kind of want a long oil a little bit.
Oof, what a great short. All my days.
Yeah, oil's looking real bullish.
All right, take profits on US 30.
Oil's looking bullish. NASDAQ looking fucking cooked.
I had a fill on US 30 short from 403 under the pullback.
I'm taking a small short. just two micros on Nasdaq.
Really? It's still consolidating. I wouldn't
Yeah.
want to take shit here.
Yeah, because I feel like we're gonna reject right here and start moving down. I'm just seeing weakness. Like buyers aren't really stepping up here. And I jumped the gun a little bit on the short, but just give it a little bit because this is looking super cooked here. Got these two big wicks to the upside. Can't hold the value area high. Can't hold this liquidity level. Like it's looking a little cooked here, boys. Looking a little cooked. We'll see what happens. I'm red on the trade, but that's for now. So I'll sit and I'll wait. And we're taking real small size. Like this is this is that slow consistent gains, right? This is what we're looking for.
Yeah, the 1 hour is pretty bearish. Holy shit.
Hell yeah, it is, dude. Everything's fucking bearish except for
I'm
oil.
just I'm looking at the delta to volume ratio, and the delta is like 2.8 thousand K to 28K.
Yeah.
It's giga bearish. Has anyone caught the short on US 30? If not, there might be a re-entry right here.
I don't know. I'm still short on NASDAQ.
Going small short at candle close. I want to see the next candle reaction. All right. Going small short on US 30 again.
I'm going to close out of that short. I took some gains. That worked. All right, let's wait and see what happens next. You saw this kind of double bounce from value area low. And while I don't think it's going to come back up to where I entered, I don't really want to risk it. So I'll, I closed my short, took my gains. That's fine. Again, right? Like this is about being patient and waiting for the right thing to happen.
Chicken rice with soy sauce. I am looking at Pepperstone.
Yeah, grinding pepper. Oh, we're close to getting another short. It's not quite time yet, but we're close. Not quite time yet.
On US 30, I got my stop set at 370.
Check beans. Chicken rice and beans. Is Anna just flying right now? Yeah, Anna's flying. That thing's been so crazy ever since we freed it.
There's literally no reason for US 30 to pump right now.
No, there's not. There's no reason for anything to pump right now except for oil.
I just want US 30 to go way the fuck down. Because my short is a little underwater here.
Yeah, that's why I had to get out of the Nasdaq short. I mean, granted, like I would still be, positive on that position, but I took my gains. I took my gains. I'm just fucking waiting.
Yeah, even though my position is underwater, I'm still like only risking.
Yeah.
What's that? Only risking 0.5%.
I'm just waiting to short more. Again, just doing it with real small size here. You don't need to go buck fucking wild, right? There's just no reason to. There's no reason to at all. It's funny because everyone always wants to chase these big ass gains on a single trade, and then they wonder why they get fucking wiped out. It's because people risk too fucking much. People risk too much because they want a cool screenshot. And for me, I'm again like I'm focused on doing things the right way. Yeah, 2 to 3 minis is all you need. And in the case of this one, like, dude, I'm just trading like two, three micros. Like I'm trading tiny little amounts because it's just a 50K account. So on a 50K account, like two, maybe a little more micro, right? Like add to it if it's really working. No reason to go fucking crazy here. Yeah, and see that's the thing, right? Is three bad positions with two or three micros or two or three minis, and you're fucking done. Hell, it could even be one if the move is strong enough.
US 30 could be going back into shorts. Timing was a little bad on my end.
Oil is real close, man. Oh man, I want to see us break that liquidity level. And then oil's such a free fucking long.
I feel like there might be some free shorts on Nasdaq here soon
Yeah.
because the bearish delta is catching up with the total volume.
Yeah, just kind of waiting for the bottom to start dropping out of that thing, to be honest.
All right, I guess never mind. What the fuck? I just got stopped out. Great. I got scammed out. Shit literally just spiked into my stop and went back down.
Ooh, God, NASDAQ, we're close. We're not there yet, but we're close. Hope everything goes good, Uzi. Hope everything goes good. Oh shit, Baba in the chat. What up, Baba? We're here talking about shorting everything except for oil. Yeah. Well, of course, right? Like that seems right for how things are.
Nasdaq looks cooked. Damn.
It does. I'm still waiting just a little bit more.
I want to see it break below 960.
I just want to see the break of like 995 around there. 960 would be an excellent break. Oh yeah, absolutely, bro. You know we're partying here. All right, entering small short on Nasdaq again.
Oh yeah. If US 30 just breaks this, it'll die. And it looks like there's another shitter in the chamber.
I think that when you're looking at the indices, like overall, that they're pretty fucking cooked right now. So
There we go. US 30 just broke.
I'm just waiting on Nasdaq to truly die. It hasn't truly died yet.
Going small
Nasdaq
short.
to zero. Go to fucking zero. Go down. Go to zero. Just fucking die already.
Yo, Kira, chill down.
Expecting rejection here. We got a small rejection. Let's see if we could just come down and fucking die already. I'm just gonna hold this fucking short for a bit. Yeah, the DAC is acting up a little bit. What the DAC doing? We're just waiting for real big selling to start. Let all these longs realize that they're fucking cooked first. This thing will die too.
Holy shit. Latest updates on Bitcoin. Firm posted 14.46 billion unrealized loss on crypto.
Who is it?
I don't know.
MicroStrategy?
Bitcoin fell below cost in early Feb. Firm bought 54,000 Bitcoins since February 2nd.
Oh, that's definitely MicroStrategy.
And 89.316 thousand Bitcoin in Q1 2026
That's
for
100%
6.3.
MicroStrategy. Let's think like Trump. What would Trump want to do? I would rather not think like Trump because then my mind would be empty because he doesn't fucking think about anything.
Shit.
I like how I short the breakdown and it half-ass turns into consolidation. Like, all right, bud. I'll just go fuck myself, I guess.
The average.
Yeah, he thinks about himself. You're not wrong.
All right. Looks like you don't get the break.
I would need to see the tweet. Come on, NASDAQ. I know you want to die, you little motherfucker. I know you want to die now.
Does it? Looks pretty bullish to me.
Does it? It looks
Clear
bullish.
rejection of the support level. Fucking around on the value area low. Potentially breaking it soon.
Rejection on the value area low.
Nah. It's just a late April Fool's.
It's a late April Fool's. It keeps coming down and tickling my entry. This fucking shit, man. Oh yeah, my thoughts on that. I sent that a little bit earlier. Yeah, my thoughts on that is it's absolutely fucking stupid.
See?
I'm out of that. I'm out of that. I still don't trust this bump. I still think that we're bearish today, but I'm not going to fuck around with whatever is happening right here.
I
Let's
took
look at
profits
oil.
on the long.
Oil is potentially at support. We'll see. We'll see. I hope we don't nuke Iran. I hope that nuclear weapons don't get used. It'd be way cooler if they didn't. I am just
So
simply
how's gold
waiting.
looking?
Good. Make good decisions. Ooh, Sizzle Lover here, and it's not a Friday? I'm amped, bro. What's up? I'm amped. What's up?
On a successful retest on US 30 of the level 407, I might take a long.
Yeah, well, normally SZA can only come and hang out with us on Fridays. So seeing SZA on the Tuesday is different. I'm trying to figure out how I feel about all this.
All right, we are in the retest on US 30.
I'm trying to figure out how I feel about all this.
I just want to see some
Kanye West
decent.
blocked from entering UK. Get fucking wrecked, yay. Fucking idiot. That's hella funny, bro.
Okay, no longs on US 30.
I'm telling you, today is just. I don't think it's the day that you want to be long. Oh, that was a nice gap on Nasdaq.
Yo, that's cheating.
Just waiting. NASDAQ is on the verge of death. It's so close.
Are you, Kira? Are you really calling it? So that means I can take your trade as financial advice, eh?
And sue you if it doesn't work out.
Yeah. Nah, everything in here is no financial advice.
Yeah, we're obviously kidding. There's no financial advice here. Now, with that being said, NASDAQ to zero. Holy fuck. Could we just fucking move already? Why is this so muted? We have huge news that's coming out tonight. Or is everyone just waiting to see what the fuck happens with Iran tonight? Is that what we're doing today?
Most likely.
Like Jesus Christ, man. Waiting for the strong move down. It's coming. Selling. Yeah, give him a call. You give him a call and tell him what's up, bro. Oh. That's quite the fucking fight happening on this order book. You see this shit? There we go.
Yo, Uzi is giving us intel. He's giving us insider info so we
Yeah.
can short a minute before.
He's giving us that insider information. I'm just holding on to this short right now. Again, small trades. Literally 2 micros.
US 30 is low key pissing me off right now.
I don't know. I'm just trading NASDAQ. I was watching oil for a potential long, but it's not doing the thing that I wanted to see. So I guess I just wait. I'll fucking short NASDAQ in the meantime.
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna take any trades anymore. Otherwise, I end up overtrading.
Yeah, I'm hanging out. I still got more in me. I haven't been trading super hard.
I just noticed if I make more than 3 to 4 trades, my average win rate goes down.
I don't know. I'm just sitting holding this fucking short.
Ah, shit.
All this is really slow moving. Well, I mean the order book's fucking flying, like, you know, but as far as like the actual price changes, it's pretty slow moving. Like we're not getting these big, wide, volatile swings.
Yo, Dennis, I find it very funny that Polymarket is actually giving news now. Like, how can a gambling platform be more informative than government produced news?
Well, you see, it really depends on the government. It's like a lot of times, you know, news hits Reddit before it hits the major news networks. Like I promise those major news networks, they're looking at social media to get a bunch of their news. Anytime you want to fucking just die for us, that'd be sick, son.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen.
No. I cast instant reversal.
He says it was reverse red reverse Uno card draw 4. All right. We're approaching that final liquidity level, and if this thing breaks, get ready for the shitstorm.
Yeah, well, Uzi, get wrecked. You should spend more time trading.
If it breaks, get ready for the shitstorm. Ho ho ho.
Congratulations, fart balls.
Ooh, did I miss something? What happened, Fartballs?
He just passed 5 combines.
What a fucking legend. Absolute fucking legend, bro. Look at that. And all he had to do was come in and hang out and talk shit with us and press a few buttons and trade. Easy. That's what I'm saying, that like, you know, the discipline is really, really important. Like being able to just wait for the right opportunity to arise. Right? The discipline of waking up early and doing this shit. Oh yeah, baby.
Damn,
You
I
guys
would
see,
be
like,
taking
this is all
profits here.
minimal fucking risk. Like we're doing all of this on 2 micros. I literally I haven't taken a trade on this that hasn't been in front of you guys. So everything you're seeing has been 2 micros, except for the one time where I figured out that if I click right here, okay, it fucking sizes me up and it'll literally eat the bid or the ask. Even though this is a fucking eval, it'll eat the bid or the ask. I'm taking profits.
How much percent was that? couldn't see it on the screen.
What? How much percent did I catch?
Yeah.
What is that? Like 0.6% of the account value, just off
Damn.
of 2 micros.
Now imagine you would have gotten in with like 2 minis.
Yeah, no, it would have been crazy, but that's not a good example. That's not a good example to set. Right? I'm trying to show you guys what risk management looks like. It's not always the most glorious thing. Okay? Like I'm not here to show you guys screenshots. I'm actually going to short 2 more here. I feel like this goes down a little more. I really
Chief,
do.
but you got out profitable, didn't you? Like you ended the trade green, or didn't you?
I feel like this goes a little lower. We'll see. We'll see.
Good, good, good.
Remember, it's not wash trading if you close it at a gain.
Yeah, Chief ended with 4 minis. Yeah, Kira, it's very important now that you don't overtrade and don't try I'm gonna try and do that and this to get the last few bucks in. Play by the rules, stay consistent.
Yeah.
Even like right now in the very end, keep it consistent. That's what got you there.
Yeah, absolutely. The second that you stop focusing on the method, right? That's where you start eating shit. All right, I'm getting out of that. Getting out of that. Oh, wow. Kinda want a long oil. I'm gonna wait a minute, but it's looking real interesting. It's looking real interesting. Yep. Let's see you Friday, SZA. Yo, that's why you gotta fucking come hang out with us more, Chief. Like, dog, we're here. Okay. I did a small buy on oil. Literally one crude contract. Because what you gotta understand is these ticks are fucking huge. Come on. Move for me. I'm telling you, this thing wants to fucking go, man. This thing wants to fucking go. Oh man, there's so much bidding happening. There's so much bidding happening, but there's a big fucking order block sitting right there. Let's see if we could break through. Let's see if we could break through. Because if it breaks through, you're gonna see like a good fucking run up. Anytime now. Anytime you want to do something would be sick. And again, guys, if you want to do this every day, then join the fucking Warriors. We have a lot of fun. We also do equity and option swings. So if that's your cup of tea, then we do that too.
I'm not having fun. I'm down 20K.
Get the fuck out of here. No, you're not. You stop. Just making things up. You're not in Riley. Be quiet. Fucking shit pissed me off, dude.
Great, now you pissed everyone off. It was trading Riley.
Yeah, and now I'm sad. Exactly. And now I'm sad. What do you mean, Chief? That they're gonna slowly become dumber. They're already using AI for everything. They literally use Chat GPT to create the fucking like plans for that ballroom. That's why when actual architects looked at it, they were like, this doesn't make any fucking sense. Oil's seeing some volatility right now. You see this? It's jumping, skipping, bunch of fucking ticks. Ooh, ugh, ugh. Don't do me like that. Hey, you move back up there. You move the fuck back up there, bud. I'm just waiting on this leg up. It's coming, man. Like you see all this prep. See all this generation of liquidity. It's coming, man. It's coming. I'll just give it a little bit more time. It's okay, Oil. You fucking squeeze when you're ready, bud.
I just missed a few things, I think. What are you in? Longs or shorts?
I'm in oil longs.
And on NASDAQ? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm just in oil longs.
Good, good, good.
Yeah, I'm definitely not too keen on longing Nasdaq. Not today.
Yo, Chief, get wrecked.
I'm still sitting in my oil long. We're just chilling. We're big chilling, guys. Oil's starting to really make this fucking breakout. So point of control just shifted way up. There's been heavier volume up here.
What do you mean, Dennis?
Well, it's like watching fucking paint dry right now.
I'm sorry, Dennis. I'm too European to understand that.
Fucking oil is getting volatile, man.
Father, I am supposed to tell you from Dennis you should say something in American.
I should say something in American.
Yeah, the catchphrase that he mentioned in chat.
Damn, America. You fucking up. Like that?
Do I?
I feel bad for the death box as well. We had this beautiful death box on NASDAQ drawn out, and we haven't even seen the death yet. It's like we had the funeral prepared, bro, and then it just never died.
Well, Kira, I don't know if you were like taking a shit the past few months,
I'm
but
gonna get out of that.
like the market has been bearish the past few months. Of course, shorts are going to drop faster than longs go up.
Yeah. Yeah, the momentum in general is just definitely more in favor of the shorts.
I don't even want to know how much money got washed out of the market.
Trillions. It's something like 6-7 trillion.
6, 7.
Yeah, something like that. What are we doing, NASDAQ? Oh, what are we doing? All right. All right. I'm watching. Part of me just wants to sell this NASDAQ pump.
That's great. Rain. Keep it up.
Yo, let's go, rain.
Now, don't thank me. I didn't do shit.
Well, unnamed done for the day. And again, guys, we don't want to overtrade. I'm oh man. This NASDAQ recovery is nonsensical. Good thing I got out of that oil long. Jesus Christ, man. That thing tanked for no reason.
I just saw when you had the thingy open, the order book and the heat map together, that it's quite accurate, isn't it?
It is. No. It is. It is definitely that.
Because I didn't really have a like real book, order book to take as a reference or anything. I just made it out of feel. No problem, unnamed. Have a great day as well.
Yep. Have a good one. Good job today, unnamed. Good job today, everybody. I held on to that oil long a little bit too long, and it ended up fucking me a tiny bit, but we're still doing good. We're still fine.
Rain also dropping in nearly 1.7 grand.
Let's go. 1.6, but yeah. Let's go.
I was too hung up into the 6-7 thing. That's your fault. Garrick, are you fucking mental? You want the VIX at 30?
VIX at 30 means that everything's super chaotic and fun. Yeah. Oil seems to be holding up relatively well at this price.
Take the VIX to 50.
All right. I did another oil buy. Anytime now.
Really?
Really what?
Are you really longing that?
Yeah, I already did.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Let's hope Trump doesn't come back around with a tweet saying he will draw back his calls on a war or on the attack.
Yeah, he better not. Like, fuck, you're gonna say some shit, then I guess do it. I mean, I hope you don't do it, but still.
Man up and stick to it.
Holy shit. Like, watch it fucking paint dry. Come on, oil. Rock it for me, oil.
Oil to zero.
Fuck that. Oil to the goddamn moon. Oil to the fucking moon. There we go. It's moving. I'll take gains there. We're up today so far. Just kind of hanging out, seeing what's happening. What's up next? What's up next?
Well, since everything is fucking going slow and doesn't really move shit, I
Yeah,
think
things
I
are
might
definitely
just
moving slow.
buzz off here. I mean, it's already time again, so.
God damn, it is time, isn't it? Wow. Today flew by.
Yep.
Today absolutely flew by. Yeah, not too much happening, but we walked away with a little profit, right? Walked away with a little profit. Again, there's no rush when you're trading and you're trying to build up. So, want to take our time, want to do things the right way. Again, I'm not even. I'm trying to trade specifically 2 micros. That's the thing that I want to do because I want to show you guys that you could do this by just taking small risks. Right? Like I'm very intentionally taking extremely small risks because I want to show you guys that there's a benefit to doing it like this. Like, is it the most exciting thing in the world? No. But is it the safe, smart way to do it? I'm taking a small buy here on NASDAQ for whatever that is. Last trade of the day.
You mean giving back some profits?
Maybe. I got a really bad fill, which didn't help, but
Nah, it's not giving back to the market. We call it tax optimization.
something like that. All right. Well, that one didn't work. I just saw this breakout. I was like, man, like that's like somewhat promising at least. Oil might be finding a little bottom here. We're gonna have to trade oil more on stream. And not just buying like the oil companies. I mean like trading oil futures, you know. Huh. I'm just waiting. We'll see. We'll see. Because I feel like there's a big opportunity on oil coming up right here. I want one more. Because oil is just God, it's so hard to ignore right now. Very small buy on oil. One more.
You're over trading.
Shut up. Okay. I'm not over trading
You,
nothing.
you're
Maybe a little.
gambling addicted.
Ooh. Ooh. All right. That one definitely moved against me. All right. Well, I think that's a good point to call for today. You fucking shit, man.
So you have
That was
finally
fun.
turned to the dark side.
Yeah. Oh well. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for stopping by today. Had a very good time. I hope you all had a good time too. And I will see all of our warriors tomorrow. And again, if you want to do this every day, then join up. Cost you fucking
All
pennies.
right.
So come hang out.
See
All right.
ya.
See ya.